Hi, this is Heidi Caswell here, WordPress 101 for Boomers. And today I'm going to go into showing you how to work with one of my favorite themes, some of the basics, which is Weaver. Let's go ahead and get started. Here we are in Appearance, and we are have the themes. We have Weaver here. If you don't have it there, you will need to install it. You can go back and look at the install videos, and they'll show you how to find and install Weaver. But you just search Weaver, maybe 2.2.4, and just go ahead and install it. And this is what you're going to see once you have it installed and activated. Again, if you want to know how to do that, go ahead and look at the install themes video. Anyway, we have it activated. We have it ready to go. I'm going to look at the Weaver admin first. And you can see that it has several sub-themes. I'm going to scroll on down and show you. They're not all the same. Some of them you have a sidebar on the right. Some you may have two sidebars on the left. It kind of tells you a little bit of information here. This is black and white, all the colors from the header itself. But you come down and you can see a variety of different themes and the way things are laid out and done. So the first thing you do is to pick one of these that looks closest to what it is that you want. Today I went ahead and picked the orange theme because it was closest to the colors that I was using with my header. We'll see how that works. If I don't like it, I can go back and change a different one. And so you find the theme on this drop down menu that you want, and then you hit set to the selected sub theme. I've already done that, but you want to go ahead and do that once you pick the one you want. That'll be the first step. Next, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to change the header. This is something most people want to do, and these themes that make it where you can go and change the header yourself are just awesome. They make it so much easier for you. As you can see, there's a variety of different headers that you can choose from, or just the colors. And then you can have your title over that, just whichever it is that you prefer. Here's the website with the week header, and I can change it to the mountain there. I just click on the mountain tab and then scroll on down, hit Save Changes. You can see how it looks, and then you can add your own custom header image. It is best if you have a custom image, a header image of exactly these dimensions here. I have one that was made for me by a graphic designer, and the height is taller than this. I'm going to have to go back and edit and change my theme a little bit. That's a little more difficult to do, but if you have a custom one made, make it that size. And if you don't have a custom one made up, that's fine. Get your blog up and get started. You got several to choose from, or just plain colors. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to upload your own custom header. We're going to go ahead and click Choose File. There I found the header, and I'm going to go ahead and click Open. And then I'm going to hit Upload. There you see, and now it's up. And because you can see it's too tall, it's going to crop it and change it some. I'm going to go ahead and put it down like this. I'm going to go back later and change it so the top part of it will come up, but for now I'm going to go ahead and do this just to get this going. There, and you can see how it looks, and it works fine. Now sometimes when you make a header, you're going to have your name and your tagline on your graphic image. Other times you can have the words just come down onto your image, or you can have an image and you can have your words above it, but I don't really need the words up above here and on the image both. So I'm back in here. I'm going to the Weaver admin, main options, header options. As you can see, the colors of the words that are up there, you can change the color. That right here is where you change the text color. Weaver has directions that tells you what each thing is changing. You can actually move the words over on top of your image if you wish by clicking that one. Or over here, we're going to actually hide the title and description because it's on the other. I'm also changing the header height there, the 236, which is what I have, and then I'll go back in and re-upload the header to get it back to the right size and not edited. And I'll be right back with the next video.